What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we will be painting the Z emblems as well as the bottom portion of my bumper gloss black today on the 350Z. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and if you like the video at the end, I hope you like it. Also, if you do enjoy the video, make sure you hit that big thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get today started. In this wee box over here, we have all of our nice little tools and supplies that we're going to use to paint the Z emblems. I recently decided to go ahead and paint them because the one on the right side is kind of worn out, which I'll show you guys in a few moments, and the other side was missing due to the deer incident I had along I believe June of last year. So we're gonna go ahead and paint those black, make them look really nice, even though this is temporary because I do have some new fenders on the way for the car. All right, we're gonna go ahead, walk down and get in our car, and today we will be getting in the 350Z. We're not going to be needing the assistance of the Monster because that car is what is technically getting done. So let's go ahead and hop in for a ride. Ooh, she's so clean. Look at how clean she is. She needs some work, but she's still clean. And as you can see right there, we're missing an emblem, which we do have purchased from Z1 Motorsports. So we will be getting that put on. And let me go ahead and show you guys the other side. We do have one on this side, but if you get closer in, you see that we have, oh, let me focus. We have a lot of this going on, and we're just gonna go ahead and paint the entire thing gloss black and get that out of the way. Also, I hope you guys are digging the new shift mount for right now. Nice little 3-star Dragon Ball. It's kind of light. I wish they made these to be more weighted, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Let's go ahead and just start this guy up. I haven't posted this on YouTube, but if you have my Instagram, which you should follow up on right here, this is where the keys pointed, at JDM Medu, you see that I did my clutch. Oh, let me unlock this. So yeah, I recently just did my clutch on the 350Z. Probably cannot hear me, but just did the clutch on the 350Z. Ran into some issues after doing the throwout bearing from squealing, and I had a very low angled clutch pedal, so we want to go ahead and fix all that, put steel braided lines in for the clutch, and now the car is all running and good. So now that we have all that situated and stuff, we are going to go ahead and use the GoPro, and we're going to unmount the Z emblem on the right fender since the left one is already taken off. And let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I'm going to be using this thing right here to take that off. Hopefully I don't scratch the fender, but at the same time, these are only temporary and will soon be off the car, whenever that is. Just know we got something coming if I haven't already said it. Nice. It came right off like that. Not what I wanted or intended. Alright, so now what we have here are the things that we will be using. You can see here we have the old Z emblem that we just pulled off. We'll be using sandpaper 3000 grit just to give a light scuff so the paint can stick to. And the new emblem from Z1 Motorsports that comes OEM. It's going to be real sad to scuff this up, but we will be scuffing this one up as well. Then we have our gloss black fusion paint that we'll be using. Let's see if I can focus this more on the can. So we have our gloss black fusion. We'll be using here. And we have our 2K gloss clear that we'll put over it after it dries. And now we'll be running back into the GoPro to do the painting and scuffing and what you're gonna call it. All right, let's put this to the side, put the phone to the side even though we're not spraying. And let's go ahead and scuff this bad boy up. Oh, forgot to mention, but probably gonna have to buy some double-sided tape as well. The new ones from Z1 come with double-sided tape already, so you don't have to really worry about that. I just forgot to buy, so we'll probably be making a run to the store when we get these to self-dry and whatnot. So here we go. Don't have to do it too much. Just a nice enough scuff for the paint to stick. Alright, what we're gonna do now is pretty much shake the can as much as possible. You see here, before we start spraying. Now this is the base coat. Alright, here goes nothing. Laying back close this way. Wanna have a nice thumbnail, so let's go. All right, next we're gonna have to let these sit and dry, so that's what we're doing out next. Let these guys, you know, talk, have a little conversation and whatnot, and we'll come back and do the second coat and probably do the first coat for the other side as well. Sprayed it a second time. I think this will be the last coat before we put on the clear. I'm always scared about clear because whenever I put it on, it comes out ashy white. Right now these look very nice, very glossy. I like it. Maybe I'll do one more coat. I see some spots that need taken care of. But that one looks really good. This one's the one I need to put maybe a little bit more attention to. But at the moment, this looks really good. I like it. I mean, while we wait, might as well do those janky touch-up spots that I was talking about earlier on this lip. This is really janky. I do not approve, but this bumper will be gone soon. I just wanted to look all right and decent for right now. Since I have spare paint, might as well go for it. So, just gonna right here and right there. Oh, I thought that was gonna give him a cup. I was like, oh, sorry. Alright, done with this. Now we're gonna get out the clear coat. I'm gonna go crazy on this because I'm not shaking the bottle yet. Can't wait to get these guys off on this car, man. It's gonna look so nice. Alright, they are fully glossed up. The clear coat is not put on. I only did 2 coats. I didn't find the need to have it have that much clear. And from here, it look really good. Let's see if I can put a light on it. Yeah, it's really nice. Alright, everything's been painted. We put them up. I can't put them on the car today. You guys will see another slide of us putting them on tomorrow, which will be a couple seconds for you guys, and we'll show you the finished result. But so excited, looks great. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Whew. All right, it is finally been painted. The emblems have been cured. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys and let you guys check these guys out. So here are the emblems here. They look pretty nice. And we're gonna go ahead and put them right back onto the car. Now I do have some double-sided tape on these. Let me go ahead and fix this. Some double-sided tape is on these guys. So bought it from Home Depot. It was about $7. Nice long roll of it too. So it holds up to about 30 pounds, which is great. Pretty sure I won't need 30 pounds to hold these on, but yeah. All right, they are now in. They look great. Real nice. Here goes another side as well. Nice and sharp. And here we are. Nice, clean. Looks really nice. On the other side. Now this second one didn't come out as great. I don't know what happened in between the clear coat process, but it crinkled a lot. I think it's because it got a lot colder when we did that one. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. More videos to come, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and